Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Terri Conrad with Bloom True, and this is Mindful Mondays. This is a time and a place and a safe space where we can imagine painting being our sanctuary. This is your moment to relax and reconnect with yourself and your inner muse. Join me as we explore art as a tool for mindfulness and self care. I'm going to walk you through everything, so let's get started. I have a watercolor sketchbook, and this is something I just painted ahead of time. I'll be using Kuretake watercolors, and when you look below in the description, you'll find the actual colors that I've chosen to work for this piece. As you can see here, I'm adjusting my camera for a little bit of a better angle for you. I'm using these soft hues in pink and a yellow ochre, a little bit of a magenta, and a soft muted blue. So with these Kuretake colors, because they're so richly pigmented, I tend to use the acetate tray and water them down a little bit. I'm going to be using a mechanical pencil. This is a ruling pen and something new for me to be trying out and exploring today. And you'll get to watch and learn along with me in that regard. I have the silicone wedge. I'll be using that to spread some poured watercolor. I have this scruffy brush. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. I'll be using some black acrylic ink and white acrylic ink. And that's what that ruling pen will be used with, is with the ink. We'll be dipping that into the ink and creating some mark making when we get to the abstract part of this painting session today. Remember, this is a time for you to enjoy a mindful art practice and a watercolor painting practice in the form of abstract painting. So there is no right or wrong. It is a way for you to embody your feelings, to express those feelings through your brush onto paper. I have a flat brush here. I'll be using that. I think it's a 3/4 inch. I often use a full 1-inch flat brush as well. And now I've watered down these Kuretake colors because they are very rich in pigment, and I wanted to have a real kind of transparent feel and look with the color. And you do that just by adding more water. So let's go ahead and begin. I'm going to quiet my voice and play some soothing music, and you can just watch and learn. You can watch and create along with me. Again, this is a time for you to connect with your inner artist and to just enjoy the moment. We're going to begin our abstract painting simply by making some marks on the page just to activate the page. I've done that with my mechanical pencil, and next I'm going to use a waterproof fine tip black pen. I guess I'm finished with my piece. Thank you again for joining me today. I really, really enjoy these Mindful Monday painting practices. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel here. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd like to see. You probably heard my dog barking in the background there. Her name is Piper. So yes, subscribe to my channel. Hit that cute little hand with a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And do follow me at bloom_true on Instagram and visit our website. We've got some fun things going on over there at bloom-true.com. Thanks again for being here. I hope you have a wonderful week.